You might want to change or organize the way in which these modules are shown here on the home page. How can you do that? You go to where it says setup here, and you go to modules and fields under customization. This is the order in which these modules are set up. Say, for example, I want to make sure that this module or this customized module that I created, I want it to appear on top. How do I do that? I go to where it says organize modules. I then scroll down. I scroll down to where I have the patients module. I then move it up to the top. Once I do this, I click save, and then I simply go back to the home page. As you can see, the patients module has been moved to before the home page because I wanted it to be in the first position, so I can easily access it whenever I want to. So that's how you organize these modules so that they appear in the order that you want.